Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. So you're doing two Khan Academies today, and they're both quite simple, should go fast. First one is called negative signs in fractions. And basically all you need to think about is whenever you're doing these is how many negative signs are there. So in this one you can see negative 9 over 6, that's one negative sign. So a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So if you have one negative, it's a negative. If you have two negatives, it's a positive. Three negatives, a negative. Four negatives, positive. So which of the other ones here would end up being a negative? This one has one negative, so that would work. This one has two negatives, so that's a positive, would not work. Don't have to worry about C if we answered A or B. All right, next question. How many negatives are up here? Well, we got negative 7 over negative 2, so that's two negatives, which creates a positive. So which of these would create a positive? This first one? Yep, that would create a positive because there's two negatives, so that's a positive. How many negatives in this one? 2, so again, that would create a positive. All right, that's how you do negative signs in fractions. Now the next one that you need to do is called negative signs in fractions with variables. Don't let this confuse you. It's not that difficult. If we take a look at this one, I'm going to extend my page a little bit. So this one here, don't worry about the letters or the numbers, just how many negatives are there. There's how many negatives here? One negative. So if there's one negative, that would create a negative answer. Let's see, how many negatives here? There's one negative. That would create a negative answer. So that works. How many negatives here? Two negatives. That would create a positive answer. So that doesn't work. And we're done. It's just that simple. How many negatives up here? Looks like there are two negatives up there, so two negatives create a positive. Okay, so we're looking for positive. How many negatives here? One, so this creates a negative, not what we're looking for. This one here, two negatives create a positive, so that's our answer there. That's all you're doing is finding out if they're positive or negatives. It doesn't matter if they're numbers or variables. The same rules apply when you're multiplying or dividing by negatives. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.